Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 3 super simple ways you can start making money online right now. First up, freelancing. If you've got a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, or even voiceovers, you can sell it. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are amazing places to connect with clients who need your talent. Turn your skills into cash. Next, online surveys and reviews. Believe it or not, companies will pay you for your opinion. It's a quick and easy way to earn some extra money in your spare time. And third, affiliate marketing. You can promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. It's like being a brand ambassador. Remember, the key is to start small and stay consistent. Your online income will grow over time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.